What's up, you guys? It's your boy JD coming at you with an all-new video. This is not my car. This is a rental car from Enterprise. It is a 2020 Ford Fusion. It's in, I don't know what color this is, just black, with LED headlights, fog lights. These fog lights are so freaking cool, you guys. Like, it can reach out to like freaking 90 degrees almost, and they can totally see everything that everywhere that I'm going, and everything, you know, in the direction that I'm going. It's so awesome. These headlights, although pretty cool and they do look great, they don't offer the best light output. So with that being said, let's move on to the rest of the car. It's very handsome. This car comes with touch capacitive door handles, front only. As always, sponsored by BlackRock. No, I'm totally kidding. But if they were sponsoring my videos, that'd be so freaking awesome. So there's soft touch material up here. This car comes with 12 speakers. There's 2 in each door, 2, 4, 6, 8, and there's 1 in the center, and there's 3 more back here. One of them being the subwoofer. Sound system is amazing. The treble needs a little work, but down here we have real leather stitching, it looks like, fake aluminum trim all around the car. But I am just absolutely loving this black on black interior. This car did not come with any mats or anything like that, so that's a little disappointing, but it's okay. It is a rental car, so it doesn't matter. Something that I noticed that not everybody will, but I absolutely cannot stand when the paint of the car is seen on the pillars. So if you look in your car, your Toyota Prius or your Lexus or what have you, or any Toyota Japanese products, what you'll find is when you close the door, you'll see like the paint color of the door, and I don't like that. I think when it's covered nicely with the black trim piece or what have you, I think it looks great. It looks very well put together. The door shuts really nicely and quietly, and that's what I like. As you can see, there's 1 speaker here and tweeter up there. Again, it carries through nicely back here. Soft touch materials, leather. I don't think this is leather, but it could be leather. Scratching material back here, leather throughout, and it's perforated leather even in the back seats. Oh gosh, this reminds me, I hate to compare Fords to BMWs, but gosh, this reminds me of my BMWs from way back. I mean, this car's a little bit dirty, but now back here you will see that it is a hybrid. It's pretty cool. There's the big battery pack underneath, and Ford, I'm so used to saying Toyota, but this is actually a plastic piece here. It's plastic, so that way if somebody rear ends you, it's just a plastic piece and it's not that big a deal. It's really cool. It's really dirty too. Of course, this car comes with LED brake lights and what have you. Number pad. Of course, they didn't give me the code or anything like that. The thing that I really like about these Ford Fusions is that down here where it's supposed to have, you know, the lock that comes up and down, it's actually just a little light. So when you lock the car, you know, there's a little indicator that says the car is locked. I love that it has 2-person memory seating. That's awesome. And here are your light controls, leather wrapped steering wheel, the dirty interior. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. So, stepping into the car, it's got a nice ride to it. Like, this car is so freaking quiet, you guys. Not as quiet as the BMWs, obviously, but very close, I will say that. The interior from this view, oh, it is so great. This car comes with heated and cooled seats. dual zone climate control with ventilation in the for the back seats. It's got a sunroof that tilts and opens all of the way. It is automatic up down for all four with the power mirrors, of course, the usual suspects. This is your efficiency gauge. It's a little bit dirty, what have you. And look, there goes another Ford Fusion. Touchscreen. This has been praised time and time again. People love it. People love it. I think it's okay. It's not the best. It's not the greatest. It's not the worst, but it is pretty useful, so I like it. I'll give him that thumbs up for that. The gear shift, I am very iffy about this. I like that it's kind of cool looking, but it's kind of chintzy. But it's whatever. It's whatever. It's cool. It's fine. It's cool. But the things that I absolutely love in this car, this mirror, okay? This mirror. It's got auto dimming, driver's side, and rear view mirrors. I just love that. And it also comes with, right up here, a garage door opener for 3 different garages. Totally cool. I love that. Absolutely love it. So what am I getting for fuel economy? Right now, I'm getting 43.2 miles to the gallon. The other day, I was getting closer to 48, but it's because I've been driving a little bit harder today, trying to find an area where I can, stop and record this video. But what do I think? I absolutely love this. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, this is not a heads-up display, you guys. This is a indicator. This car has lane keep assist, all the usual suspects, brake assist, steering assist. This car has blind spot monitoring. This car is amazing, and I absolutely love it. Ford did a really great job. I want one. in short, I want one of these. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this car, if you have one of these, comment below. Let me know how you like it. When did you buy yours? Give me all the details, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for subscribing. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.